In May, do as you please, but it is undoubtedly the most difficult month for you all, because you have to sow, plant, repot, and sometimes weed. From the month of May, in principle, heavy frosts are completely ruled out. If you still have oleanders, Mediterranean plants in your conservatory or greenhouse, you absolutely must take them out. Also, take advantage of this warmth, the warmth of your conservatory or greenhouse, to do some sowing. For example, you can currently sow melons, cucumbers, zucchinis, pumpkins, all these plants that are fragile and especially do not like temperatures below 15 degrees. If you have a greenhouse especially, do not hesitate to ventilate well during the day to expel the heat. Because at this time of year, temperatures can rise above 40 degrees if the greenhouses remain closed. From May 15th in cold regions, you can plant vegetables and fruits like tomatoes, eggplants, peppers and chilies. You can plant them directly in the ground without protection. You can also add a small protection to speed up production. In May, as soon as the temperature starts to rise, especially mulch well at the base of your shrubs. For this, use plant waste. It can be both the grass clippings you have mowed or at the base, also for fruit shrubs to prevent weeds from growing. In May, there are things we do and things we should not do. And regarding herbicides, lawn herbicides, if you use a selective herbicide, you will deprive yourself of daisies and violets in your lawn. And then, if there are a few dandelions left, just take an asparagus gouge and you will remove the dandelions. And why not the thistles, and for that without using any herbicide? Regarding weeding, if you have paths to weed, you can use a thermal weeder, why not? Or simply hot water that you will apply to your unwanted plants, such as dandelions and other common weeds, for example. In May, it's also time to plant all those dahlias, those dahlia tubers. It's also the prime time for planting gladiolus. So gladiolus that you will plant several times to have a much longer flowering period. It's also the time to divide your chives as well as to take cuttings of thyme in pots. In the vegetable garden, in May, without protection, is the right time to sow your radishes, carrots and small turnips. Mesclun absolutely all lettuces and take advantage of this time to spread compost to enrich your vegetable garden. Already for several weeks, your houseplants have started to grow. Take this opportunity to repot them, put them in a larger pot or group them in the same pot. In May, most spring flowering shrubs like forsythia, currant flowers or lilac begin to fade. This is a time to prune them right after flowering. Take advantage of May, the beginning of spring, to set up your first pond at home. Dig your pond. If you have one, be sure to eliminate the filamentous algae that, thanks to the warmth, start to develop in your pond. This is also the time when you start, and especially to feed your goldfish a little. As for watering, prefer the morning to water all your vegetables, especially if the period is quite cold. If it's hot, don't hesitate to water. In the evening, so that all your plants can absorb the moisture well during the night.